Assalamu alaikum, dear students. It is 14th of June 2021, Monday. It's class 11th, subject education. Dear students, as you know, we are discussing the agencies of education, different agencies of education, formal, informal. And today we are going to discuss non-formal agencies of education. Let's try to understand what is non-formal education. What is non-formal education? Dear students, non-formal education has emerged as one of the alternatives to the formal system of education. It recommends need-based education in a free atmosphere. The word non-formal has been derived from the word formal by using the prefix non to formal, which itself means concerned with the form of or structured. So formal education means structured education, which is more concerned with the form and less with the matter. The concept of non-formal education is of recent origin. It is yet in the developing stage. It widely differs from person to person and from place to place. Dear students, few educationists have defined non-formal education in their own ways, according to their own viewpoints. The students, one of the educationists, Manzoor Ahmed, says that any organized, systematic educational activity carried on outside the framework of the formal system to provide selected types of learning to particular subgroups in the population, adults as well as children. The students, one more educationist says that non-formal educational program designed to provide learning experience for specific large population. Dear students, and another educationist says that non-formal education is any international and systematic educational enterprise, usually outside the traditional schooling, in which content, media, time, units, admission, criteria, staff facilities, and other system components are selected and or adopted for particular student, population or situation, in order to maximize attainment of the learning mission and to minimize maintenance constraints of the system. Dear students, in all the above definitions state that non-formal education is planned, it is systematic, it is need-based and goal-directed education for specific group of persons conducted outside the formal system. Dear students, non-formal education वनो अस यह गई सो तालीम युस स्कूल जरिए दिवान इदारे जरिए दिवान मगर अत मज कह बंदिश आसान कह यह स्कूल बच्चस गसुन कह अत कह टाइम मुकर्रर कह अत यह सा यह फ्री यह अकिस फ्री एटमॉस्फेयरस मज यह तालीम दिन यह ऑर्गेनाइज्ड सिस्टमैटिक एजुकेशनल एक्टिविटी मगर यह ऑर्गेनाइज कर आउटसाइड द फ्रेम ऑफ फॉर्मल सिस्टम ऑफ एजुकेशन अत मज यह सो एजुकेशनल प्रोग्राम यथ मज खास तादाद आबादी हुंद तालीम निश आरास्त कर یہِ چھُ سُہ ایجوکیشنل ایکٹیوٹی یُس سکوٗل نیبرٕ ٹریڈِشنل سکوٗلِنگ یُس چھُ اَمہِ نیبر چھُ یِوان یہِ تعلیٖم دِنہٕ یَتھ منٛز کیاہ پرناوو کنٹینٹ میٖڈیا ٹایم یوٗنٹس ایڈمِشن کرایٹیریا سٹاف فیسلٹیٖز بیٚیہِ باقٕے یِم چیٖز چھِ اَتھ منٛز یِم چھِ یِوان کینٛژھس سلیکٹ کرنہٕ یا ایڈاپٹ کرنہٕ کُنہِ خاص یہِ ہسا یہِ یُس بچن ہٕنٛز خاص اکھ تعداد چھُ تِمن ہٕنٛدِ خٲطرٕ چھُ یِوان یہِ ڈِزاین کرنہٕ تاکہِ کم کھۄتہٕ کم وقتس منٛز گژھِ زیادٕ کھۄتہٕ زیادٕ تعلیٖم پھٔہلہِ نان فارمل ایجوکیشن یہِ تہِ چھُ آسان مگر اتھ چھُ پلان یہِ چھُ پلانٕڈ آسان یہِ چھُ سسٹمیٹِک آسان یہِ چھُ أکِس نظمو ضبطس تحت پکان یہِ کر گژھِ شروٗع کر گژھِ ایگزام کر یی پرناونہٕ کِتھ پٲٹھۍ روزِ امیُک یہِ ہسا یہِ طریٖقہٕ کار اتھ چھُ باضٲبطہٕ اوبجیکٹِو آسان مقصد آسان مگر یہِ چھُ یِوان آوُٹ سایڈ فارمل سسٹم آف ایجوکیشن یہِ تعلیٖم ہُنٛد انعقاد کرنہٕ کیاہ فرق چھِ نان فارمل ایجوکیشن تہٕ نان فارمل ایجوکیشن کِتھ پٲٹھۍ چھُ مختلف فارمل تہٕ انفارمل ایجوکیشن نِش یعنی کیاہ فرق چھِ نان فارمل فارمل تہٕ انفارمل ایجوکیشنس گۄڈٕ وٕچھو أسۍ نان فارمل ایجوکیشن چھُ اَسہِ پوٚرمُت نان فارمل ایجوکیشن may be differentiated from the conceptual framework of formal education and informal education. The non-formal education is lifelong and with flexible points of entry, while formal education is finite and limited to a period meant for teaching and learning, with fixed point of entry and exit. In formal education, acquisition of knowledge is the goal. In non-formal education, the goals include understanding one's needs, environment, and social relationships. Non-formal education develops an open and critical and self-reliant awareness. It is a process of sharing, exploring, analyzing, and judging together. There is maximum participation of the learner. It is need-based and future-oriented. Non-formal education is any organized, systematic educational activity carried outside the framework of the established formal system, whether operating separately or as an important feature of some broader activity that is intended to serve identifiable learning, clientele, and learning objective. Dear students, informal education is the process by which a person imbibes attitudes, develops skills, cultivates values, and acquires knowledge without there being any organization or system about it. This would include the deliberate attempts of parents and elders in the family and community to help the young ones grow and adapt themselves to the environment. Informal education would also include all identical learning that takes place while at work or at play and during travels, as well as spontaneous learning through films, radio, and television. Dear students, what are the aims and objectives of this non-formal education? Dear students, the broad-based objectives of non-formal education may be enumerated as under. Number 1, to enable the maximum number of non-school going children of 9 to 14 age group to join the non-formal stream so that we may help them in achieving constitutional directive. Number 2, to enable the learners to learn basic skills of reading, writing, and arithmetic so as to make them self-reliant in day-to-day life. To develop general awareness about the politico-economic problems of local, state, and national importance so as to seek their solutions. To enrich knowledge experiences in the professions in which the student is involved by utilizing local and outside resources. To develop basic skill to handle repair modern ordinary gadgets with which the learners are familiar and have access to. To develop desirable personal and social habits as well as healthy attitudes towards our cherished national ideals and values. Dear students, some of the silent features of non-formal education are: number one, relevance. Relevance. The content of non-formal education program must be need-based and relevant to the age group concerned. There will not be a uniform content for all, but it will differ as per time, climate, culture, and ecological conditions, etc. Flexibility. Opposite to formal system, which is too rigid, the non-formal education program will be flexible as regards time, place, duration, attendance, syllabus, methods, and evaluation, etc. Practicability. Practicability means the program of non-formal education will not be theoretical alone, but it will be translated into practice. It will be a functional program. Number fourth, own time education for shortened duration. The students, unlike formal system, non-formal education will be provided for nearly 2 hours, and the timings are to be adjusted according to the convenience of the learner. Delinking with degrees, diplomas, and certificates. Those joining non-formal education would not care for degrees, diplomas, and certificates. Moreover, no condition of pass and fail would be attached. So, this was all about non-formal education. Today, we have discussed the concept of non-formal education. Hope you will have understood it well. The students, tomorrow we will take up some other topic. Till then, bye. Assalamu alaikum.